Hello guys, welcome back to science class. So today we will be talking about another kind of rock. This kind of rock is called sedimentary rock. Sedimentary. Okay, here we go. You will remember that there are three major groups of rocks. There is igneous rock, which forms from cooling magma or lava. Sedimentary rock is formed from remains of plants and animals pressed together. Metamorphic rock is rock changed by heat, pressure, or chemical reaction. Today we will study sedimentary rock. Sedimentary rocks often look like what you see in the picture. In the picture you see layers. These are formed from layers of deposited remains of plants and animals and rocks over thousands or millions of years. This place is in the USA. It's called the Badlands National Park. So sedimentary rocks. What is sediment? Sediment are small solid pieces of material that come from rocks or living things. Examples of sediment are sand, mud, and pebbles. Other examples, things that come from living things you might also find in sediment, like shells, bones, leaves, and stems. All of these things you will find in sedimentary rock. So how is it formed? There are 4 steps. The first is erosion, then deposition, then compaction, and finally cementation. Here is a picture showing all 4 steps. We have erosion, deposition, compaction, and cementation. We are going to look at each step in turn. The first, erosion. Erosion is when moving water, wind, or ice break up and carry away pieces of rock. Examples. Here is a river full of sediment. It got this sediment from erosion of the land. Waves also break up rock. They can erode the rock. Glaciers also erode the landscape, just like rivers do. Other examples of erosion forces are heat and cold, rain, and storms. Deposition is the next step. What is deposition? In deposition, sediment settles out of water or wind carrying it. Why? Why does the sediment settle out of the water or wind? When the water, wind, or ice slows down, the sediment falls out. Easy. Deposition forms layers, just like the picture. We will see these layers in the rock later. Compaction is the third step. Compaction means when sediment layers are pressed together. Why are the sediment layers pressed together? Well, as the layers form on top of each other, the weight of the sediment on top presses on the layers below. We get pressure. This makes the loose sediment press together into compacted sediment. This is compaction. The last step is cementation. Cementation means when dissolved minerals crystallize and glue the sediment together. In this picture, you see the sediment in the first picture, and then when crystals form, we get rock. The crystals form between the pieces of sediment and glue them all together. Here is a summary of all the steps together. Erosion carries particles away from their source. Deposition drops the particles into layers of sediment. Compaction squeezes the particles together under great pressure. And finally, cementation glues together all the particles. And we get rock. All right, guys. I've sent you some questions to do for homework. Please do them, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye.